Before you is a Philips TUV 8G5 ultraviolet lamp designed for bactericide operation in plants. It is a low-pressure mercury and ozone-free quartz lamp. The labeling options are listed in her page on the website. Characteristics. The lamp has 2 metal bases with 2 pins on either side. The power is 8 watts. Operating current 0.15 A. The current emission power is 240 W. Dimensions. The length of the lamp is 302.5 mm. Arc length 288.3 mm. The diameter of the tube is 16 mm. The diameter of the plinth is 15 mm. 9,000 hours of service life. You can see all technical parameters in the lamp passport. Each of our lamps is securely packaged in a cardboard tube with extra soft protection inside. We guarantee safety on delivery and free replacement in case of damage. We always have in stock all kinds of components for any Bactericidal installations. Lamps, quartz covers, power supplies, sealer and connect. You can order this lamp and other equipment by filling out an application form on the website or by calling us on the phone.